Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you built your site with Hostinger Websites Builder and want to track visitors, traffic sources, and use behavior, connecting Google Analytics is the correct move in 2026. Good news, Hostinger does support Google Analytics natively. You don't need custom code, plugins, or GTM for basic tracking. Most people fail because they use the wrong analytics version or paste the code in the wrong place, so we will not do that. So in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to connect Hostinger Websites Builder to Google Analytics in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, create a GA4 property if you don't have one. So go to Google Analytics, click admin. Okay, so you have to sign in first. Okay, create property, choose web, enter your website URL, finish setup. You will see a measurement ID like G, and after it some kind of numbers and letters that are written randomly. Okay, so copy this ID, you will need it, and open Hostinger now, Websites Builder settings. Okay, go to websites and select your Websites Builder sites. You have to upgrade your account first. Click edit websites. Now open website settings, find integrations or analytics. Do not add code inside page section. Add Google Analytics measurements ID inside. So paste your measurements ID, save settings. That's it, not script needed. Hostinger automatically injects the GA4 tag site wide. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.